I provided a model you can use on my Sketchfab page if you don't already have one. I'll provide a link in the description. Click the link and select the original blend file. Extract the zip file and place it where you can remember where it is. Start Blender and then open the downloaded file. On the right hand side of the open window, expand it and uncheck Load UI. In the outliner, double click on the collection name to rename it. Add a new collection. Duplicate the model to save it as a backup. It's a good idea to keep a backup of any models you are working on. Hit Tab to enter the edit mode. Press C to get access to the Circle Select tool. Hold the left mouse button down to select faces. Press P to bring up the Separate menu. Separate by selection. Hold the left mouse button down and drag to select the faces. Clicking on a face when you have the Alt button held down will select the loop that face belongs to. Holding down Control and pressing numpad plus sign will expand your selection. To fix a mistake, select the object with the mistake in it. Enter Edit Mode. Select the faces and then separate them. And go back into Object Mode. Shift select the object that it needs to be rejoined to, and hit Ctrl-J to get them back together. Back in Edit Mode, go to Mesh, Clean Up, and Merge by Distance. And lastly, you can select multiple faces by holding down the Shift key. Pressing K brings up the knife tool. Left click once where you want the cut to start, and then click again where you want it to end. Holding Control will snap it to the midpoint of an edge. Pressing Enter will create the cut. Ctrl-R brings up the Loop Cut tool. In add-ons, you can get access to extra curve shapes. Place the 3D cursor where you want the shape to be created. Use Shift-A to open up the Add menu and select the curve you want to use. You can change its properties in the menu that appears in the lower left side of the window. the top middle, change the orientation to View. Go to Object, Transform, and Align Transformed Orientation. Press S to scale. Select the curve first and then the object that you want to cut. Enter Edit Mode and then press F3 to search and search for Knife. Select Knife Project. Shift S will bring up the Cursor Pie menu. Press R for rotation. Finish selecting and separating the model. Select one of the pieces and go to the Modifiers tab. First, add the Solidify modifier. Next, add the Bevel modifier. Select all the objects by pressing A. On the Solidify modifier, press the down arrow and select Copy to Selected. Repeat with the Bevel modifier. Back in the add-ons menu, do a search for Modifier. Select Modifier Tools. In the Modifiers tab, select Apply All. With all the objects selected, hit Ctrl-J to make them a single object.